Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by opening the form you want to add geolocation to. Make sure you're signed into the Google account tied to the form. Install a geolocation add-on or prepare the app script snippet. This is the key difference that dictates the next steps. You'll also add a short question, prompt for consent and location capture. Once done, configure the form settings to collect respondent email if needed. Then save a copy so you can test safely without altering production data. Now you implement the geolocation logic. Add a clear consent question and a short answer field to store latitude, longitude. If using an add-on, follow its setup to request browser location. If using app script, paste the script that calls HTML5 geolocation and writes results to the response. Set the script or add-on to run on form open or submit as required. Once configured, preview and submit a test response. Make sure coordinates appear correctly in the response. To finish, link the form to a spreadsheet and verify the coordinates land in their own column. Format them as LAN for downstream use. Make sure the form and any custom web app use HTTPS and that script permissions are granted. Without that, location won't be returned. If things go wrong, check browser location permissions, clear mixed content blocks, and test on another device or network. If you still fail, revert to the saved copy and rerun the setup to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.